Hey guys, Kyle from Mazda here. We are coming up on Drive Electric Week, so I just wanted to come and talk to you guys about kind of the positives of an electric hybrid or plug-in electric vehicle. What I have here is a plug-in CX-90. We've talked about it before, but just a quick recap, the CX-90s and the CX-70s and the plug-in hybrids do have a 26-mile range. So the big benefit to these is if you do a lot of in-town driving or just day-to-day activity, you can get away with really not using a lot of gas. Another thing that we have coming is the hybrid CX-50s as well. So those are going to be another great way to kind of help move forward with the hybrid plan that we have going. So yeah, if you do a lot of day-to-day driving around town or long trips, this is going to be a great pick for you guys.